Hey, hi everyone. So this is Vinod here, and today I have a very interesting topic to discuss. This topic actually caught my attention. So, what is this topic that I'm talking about? Let's quickly dive in. So, here is the very interesting article that I'm talking about. It says, "This person does not exist.com." Right? This website, this person does not exist.com, uses artificial intelligence to generate endless fake faces. I repeat it, this website uses AI to generate endless fake faces. Wow, this really caught my attention. So, what I wanted to do is I wanted to check a little more about what this website offers, etc. Right? Okay, please pay attention here. All the images that you're seeing in this website, right? Let me open this website here. Oh, wow, look at this website. You see a beautiful baby picture, right? I just refresh this page. You get another lady's picture. I refresh this page. You have multiple other pictures, right? And the interesting part about this is, I want you to know is these images or these pictures or these photos are actually not of any human being who exists at all. These are artificial intelligence recreated human being photos from a set of large samples, right? I repeat, from a set of large samples, these are AI generated photos, which look really like a photorealistic thing, right? And the interesting part, it is saying imagined by GAN. What is GAN? GAN stands for Generative Adversarial Network. And the specific algorithm supported by NVIDIA, who made it open source, is called the Style Gun 2, version 2, right? And interestingly, this website is so real that if you keep spending some time doing refresh here, you won't believe that such beautiful, looking images get created, and it's completely automated, completely system generated. And look at this, the mix of existing photos, from all ethnics, from all races, from all religious background, every single type of images you get here, and looks so real that you cannot differentiate it from an actual photo, right? It looks so real. Look at this. Is there any possibility that someone can say it is a duplicate or this is artificial intelligence created image? Chance not. And look at this. It's so starting from the skin texture, lightning, wrinkles, the smile, teeth, and everything. The detailing is so amazing that you cannot differentiate it, right? And look at this. Let us read through this article. This site is a creation of Philip Wang, the person who found this, right? So, is he the founder of this? Actually, no. He used a already existing algorithm. Let's talk about that, right? The founder of this website, this person does not exist.com, is Philip Wang, a software engineer working at Uber, and uses research released last year. Actually, this is a 2019 information, right? By a chip designer NVIDIA to create endless stream of fake portraits. The algorithm behind this trained, okay, let me say cancel, yeah, trained on huge data sets of real images, then uses a type of neural network known as generative adversarial network, right, to fabricate new examples, to fabricate or recreate new examples which did not exist. Each time you refresh the site, the network will generate a new facial image from scratch. Wang wrote on a Facebook post. Okay. Most people do not understand how good AI can be at synthesizing images in the near future. I think this is how it led to the popular algorithm called the deep fakes, where this algorithm can recreate existing set of human being with whatever audio you feed them. right? It can do a lip sync and recreate a exact lookalike of a original video by just merely feeding them some samples of photos, right? Okay, look at this. The underlying AI framework powering the site was originally invented by the researcher. This is the person, Ian Goodfellow, right? NVIDIA takes on the algorithm called StyleGAN. Now we have the StyleGAN version 2.0, right? Was made open source recently and has proven to be incredibly flexible. Although this version of model is trained to generate human faces, please pay attention. Although this version of model is trained to generate human faces, it can, in theory, mimic any sources. Any sources as in absolutely any source. And imagine researchers or scientists have already started researching with other targets like anime characters and fonts and graffiti. Imagine you just give them animation related characters. It will use that as a data set and recreate new lookalike animation characters, right? Fonts. If you give them fonts like monotype Corsiva and say Arial, so it can actually create a blend of two. Am I clear? So it can create new fonts. Graffiti is, you know, a modern kind of a drawing or painting with spray paints usually, right? So it can also recreate graffiti images, right? So look at this. I will also show this in this web page. If you see, yeah, beautiful. It says code for training your own original simple light, all that, forget it. Arts, cats, horses, chemicals, etc. Imagine if AI can understand human faces and recreate them. Why can't they actually understand other kind of arts, cats, dogs, whatever, right? Look at this cat. Okay, this looks a little bad, but yeah. Oh, looks exactly like the original cat, isn't it? The fun part is it's actually a AI generated image. This cat does not exist. Look at this. This cat does not exist. This cat does not exist. See how real they are. Isn't it scary real, right? Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. These are all images that are recreated by artificial intelligence, right? So likewise, you can see links of horses, chemical compounds with atomic and molecular structures. Look at this. There's a horse here, horse here. If you notice, the horse, the leg, if you see, it's not proper. You don't see them proper. Yes or no? The reason, you know why? The reason is simple. The quantity of data set that this AI has to consume is not enough for horses. That is why the AI generated data is not as accurate. Okay, so let me do few more refreshes. See here, you can see there is one leg for the front and three legs for the back. So again, data set is not fine, right? For horses, they don't have enough. See here, two legs joined to become one here. These are all glitches. I agree, there are a lot of glitches, but I close this. For cats also, it's pretty. I think it's really fairly very good, right? Okay, let me close this. But I will tell you this: for human faces, it works marvelous. It looks beautiful, right? Can you just believe that this is not a photo of a person? See, look at the lighting, texture, uh, all the features, the wrinkles, and everything looks very real, isn't it? Right? And let me tell you this: as much as you know that technology is a double-sided sword, there are a lot of benefits, but apparently there are downsides too. And I'm sure this could potentially be used by attackers for creating a lot of issues, right? Okay. Please pay attention to this. Let me skip all this. In other words, this person does not exist.com is just a polite introduction to the new technology. I repeat, it is just a polite introduction to new technology. However, this is a rude awakening which comes later, right? What do you think about AI related image processing or regeneration of images and videos? What is your thought on that? Please do leave your thoughts in the comment. I would love to read them through and I'll reply them myself. Okay? I hope you learned something interesting from this. It's an open source algorithm. Please feel free to actually go check the website. There are other websites like this as well. So if you see, it says you have these many AI generated photos. All of these are AI generated photos, all of these, right? You also have options. You can say natural, you can say head pose front facing, you can say females, you can say ages young adult, apply. So based on these parameters, the AI machine is recreating the set of faces. Isn't it amazing? It's it's amazing, I'll tell you. Okay, look at this. This chemical compound, right? Molecular or atomic structure of this chemical compound, right? I do a refresh. Beautiful. Another new. Another new. I swear I don't know much about this, but chemicals or anything, but I just wanted to bring this to you notice. It's amazing, right? So yeah. Um, this is the website once again. This person does not exist.com. Any of you want to try this, you can feel free to go to GitHub. StyleGAN version 2 is the algorithm. Please go ahead and explore. There'll definitely be a lot of learning. And once again, as this line says, this person does not exist.com is just a polite introduction to the new technology. And however, it is a rude awakening that comes later. Right? Do leave your thoughts in the comment. Looking forward. Take good care. See ya. Bye.